Hello everyone. So right now I'm going to teach you how to curate using Kudani. But first, let's familiarize ourselves on how to actually use this platform. So here you see the first thing you would see is after you sign up is you would see the dashboard in Kudani. But the most important part of Kudani is the compose bar here, and let's click it. So here we see this part here. This is where we get our feeds in this white box here. This white box here is very, very important because this is where we get our feeds. So okay, I'll teach you how to get feeds through Kudani. So click on this add folder, and then choose a topic. Think of a topic, name your folder after a topic. It could be anything that you want to write about or research on. So I will name this folder, let's see, what's a good name? What's a good topic? I will name this folder fiction writing. And it's very important to save the folder on feeds. You use the feeds, you save it, you choose the feeds button when you save this folder. So click OK. And then we can actually make a second folder with the same name, fiction writing. Again, and this time choose the saved folder instead of the feeds folder. Save it on your saved folder. It would be more, it would give you an extra folder to save your feeds later on. So click OK. And then we now go to this add feed. This is a very important button. It's so small you can almost miss it, but just remember that it's this little button here. So okay, this window pops up, and then you can see here you have to enter your keyword, and enter your keyword fiction writing. So click on search, and you see here that it says there select category. So the category you use is your fiction writing folder you created a while ago. So there, we've clicked fiction writing, and we've chosen fiction writing as our keywords. Now here are all the feeds related to fiction writing. RSS feed related to fiction writing, so let's check that. Poets and writers, literary fiction, why not? The Guardian is a good website. They cover a lot of topics. Fiction and fan fiction, latest topics. Well, if you want to know more about fan fiction, which is subgenre, why not? Okay, the magazine of fantasy and science fiction. Creative writing. I think this is just the, okay, here is the, it pops up. There's a pop-up screen that describes what the website is all about. Whether you're writing fiction or an essay, for many writers. Okay, maybe we can consider this. We can add this in our feeds. Okay, blog fiction and fanfiction.net on writing. Okay, maybe this seems to be interesting. Creative writing, core faculty, inside the writer's mind. That looks like is that a blog? Working hard this week. I am working. I'm jamming on multiple deadlines, so we'll keep it short. Seems to be a writing journal. Let's just skip that for now. Let's stick to the blogs that can guarantee articles regarding fiction writing. Creative writing. Okay, why not? What's new at creative writing ideas and activities? Okay, that's very specific. So we click on save. Okay, so here now we will see our folder, fiction writing. So click on that folder and all the feeds will appear. All the article feeds will appear. So here it is. So here are those feeds. There are many articles pertaining to fiction writing. Okay, so what you do with Kudani is you just choose the articles that you think are interesting, or articles that seems to have a common theme. That's how I do it. Or you can choose articles that are kind of contradict each other. So you can present two perspectives of an issue. Okay. So if you were, for example, you are interested in this article, let's see what's a good article. There are many feeds. That's the great thing about Kudani. They're always updating their feeds. Okay, guidelines for writing poems with your students. Writing realistic fiction the easy way. Writing science fiction, build science fiction stories. Or what is this? Okay, writing historical fiction. That seems to be in the same from the same source. Never create from the same source. It has to be different sources. Even if it's different articles, it has to be different sources. But this looks like that it comes from the same source. See, creative writing. If you look at the URL, it's from a, let's see. Yeah, it's from the same source, the same website, or the same blog. So here is all the same. Maybe you can pick one from the site. Let's save one. So if you decide to save an article, this is what you do. You choose select folder. Previously, we've chosen select folder through feeds, but right now we will just use select folder from the save menu. Okay. New. Save. So that article is now saved. You won't miss September if you decide to write about or curate September writing prompts. It's already in this folder. See, fiction writing. Yes, it's there. September writing prompts, so you don't have to go through your fiction writing folder in feeds, because this is where all your feeds are, and you can have a specific folder for the articles you have chosen. That is the reason why we made two folders. So okay, that's it. That's how you save and browse through Kudani. Okay, let's save one more. Yes, let's save one more. Okay, that's good enough. And if you look at your folder, fiction writing under saved, you now have two articles. So I will be continuing this tutorial and show you how to actually curate.